Number 10 things you should never let Ripper do.
It's summertime on Disney.
And just so you know, I'm awesome, your host. I did that series, Also Daddy. So soon I'm going to do an intro that says
It's the Mighty Monster Marathon.
ADK36 presents, and the ADKS stands for Environics. So, number 1, bouncing. Ow! Ow! Oh no! Whoa! No TV! Boom! Number 2. Never let Ripper go in the land and get electrocuted. I'm gonna go in this lamp. Another thing's happening. Ow! Ah! Ah! Oh!
Now it's Sophia the first.
It's gonna do it for me. Like Ripper's twin. Okay. This is twin Ripper. Open. Number 3. Never let Ripper control the camera. Number 3. Never let Ripper, even though I'm twin Ripper, never let Ripper just fly so high that it's gonna get killed. I'm so high that I'm not gonna die. Number 4. Never let Ripper control the camera while making a movie. Okay, Ripper, we're gonna make a movie. Oh yeah, we're gonna film it on the camera. Oh yeah, I really like it.
But if a surprise happens to be made of characters,
I'll bring you back.
Ripper, you made the camera explode. Sorry. Let's just buy another one. Number 5. Never let Ripper jump off a cliff. Oh, I'm just gonna skydive from a cliff without a parachute, trying to survive.
There's so many beautiful things in here, and every single one looks
Ah! Number 7 or 6. I think it's number 7. Never let him just walk off. a cliff, and he didn't even know it was a cliff.
What are those? The griffins. I've never seen one before.
That's because they stay up here in the jewel room, guarding the castle treasure. They make perfect guards because griffins love anything shiny, like gold and gems.
They're not the only ones. He looks so different.
Griffins are half eagle and half lion. Notice how they have feathers.
That was number 8.
This one's just a baby.
Ooh, pretty jewel. Oh, thank you.
Did you just thank the griffin?
No, I was, thanking you for telling me about them.
The search is over. I found the perfect necklace.
It's beautiful.
Now, what are you going to choose, Sophie?
Alright,
How about this bracelet?
number 9. Never
Your Highness.
see Ripper coming out of nowhere so high. Okay, Ripper, where are you? What the? Where are you? Ah! Ripper, is that you?
This necklace makes my sparkly eyes look
It
even
is.
more sparkly.
It looks
Oh my god! Ah!
I have an idea.
What?
Let's try on
Number
each
9.
other's new jewels.
And number 10!
On your bracelet. It'll be like
Never let Ripper.
But I have to take off my amulet.
so.
When Dad gave it to me, he said it was a very special necklace, and I promised I'd never take it off.
Oh.
I
I don't know. Just
never like
keep it
go
to the
into
Oh,
his little like nightstand for a couple days. Okay, Ripper, we're gonna camp in this nightstand. Okay. 10 years later. Ripper, are you okay? Wait, you have been in there for 10 years. And here's a bonus! Number 11! Never let Ripper drink Coke.
look like scratches.
Just like in Springmore Mirror, that minion drink Coke.
My amulet.
Don't worry, I'm sure it just.
Alright, Ripper, you're going to drink this Sprite. Oh, no, it's this crank or something. No, it's okay. Just me.
Clover,
Ah! Ah!
I can't find my amulet. What did you say,